And so I told y'all be brief, so I'm gonna keep it as brief as possible, because anybody who knows me knows I can talk forever. But I'm gonna just say it like this. One thing that we do in the youth is that we express our expressions through music. I'm sure a lot of y'all know how we love hip hop and R&B. But there's an R&B song that goes like this, and I direct it straight to our governor and to our legislatures who will not help us. The song is, "You're a stranger in my house. It took a while to figure out. You couldn't be who you said you are. You gotta be somebody else. Because they wouldn't do us like that. And they wouldn't treat us like you do. I'm convinced you're a stranger in my house." Thank you very much.